Find the number of ways in which all 12 letters of the word refrigerator can be arranged if all the R's must be together. Before I consider this, let me write each letter has come how many times in this. So R has come how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, E has come how many times? 1, 2. F has come how many times? 1. I has come how many times? Once. G also once. A also once. T also once. And finally O also once. I wrote it. Whenever a word is given, better to write this one first. Now look at the condition. All the R's must be together. So total are 12 letters, so place 12 blanks. In that, how many R's do I have? 4. Condition is all these 4 should be together. So how do I do? I consider this to be 1 unit. This entire is 1 along with how many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. These 9 can shuffle themselves in 9 ways. Am I clear? This entire has to be considered one set or one block. 1 along with 8 others are 9. 9 can shuffle themselves in 99 ways. This block can go anywhere in between them. Now, are all this different? Yeah, so no. Here in this 8, E has come twice. So I need to divide this by 2 factorial. Clear with the outside part, now inside. These 4 R's can shuffle themselves in 4p4 ways. Since each letter is same, I am dividing by 4 factorial. Even if I don't write this entire thing, it doesn't make any difference. But good practice if you write this one. Always outside the block, then multiplied with inside shuffling. Am I clear? Now the next sum. In how many ways can 10 people be arranged in a line if the 6 tallest stand to each other? Stand next to each other. So how many people are there given to us? 10. So place 10 blanks. 6 are tallest. So tall. These 6 should be next to each other. That means this 6 I consider to be 1 unit. So 1 along with 4, 5. 5 can shuffle themselves in 5p5 ways. Since all people are different, I am not dividing by any number factorial. This is for outside the block. Now inside. Inside these 6 tallest people can again shuffle themselves in 6p6 ways. Clear? This is for the outside multiplied by the inside block. Inside also they are all different. I am not dividing.